Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So, for today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 unsaturated products to sell on Etsy. So, the first one that you can start selling are Canva templates. Yes, Canva templates are in demand on Etsy. So if you're interested or if you're very creative in creating Canva files, then definitely you should give it a go in selling Canva items here on Etsy. As you can see here, there are multiple designs available online right now, and you can sell them for at least a good round of around $20 per design, depending on the design, of course, or depending on the template. So it's very good if it's a very good item if you're just starting out to sell or if you want to experiment selling on Etsy, mainly because number one, Canva is for free. Well, part if you want a premium, but for the most part, Canva is for free. So if ever you're looking at creating designs and selling it, definitely Etsy might be the platform for you. Now, another thing that you might be interested in selling are invitations. There are multiple events happening right now. So there are events for baby showers, weddings, housewarmings, all of which can be created or are associated with invitations. So again, it's a good market opportunity, especially if you're on the creative side. Most of the products that we'll be showing require a bit of an artsy, creative niche, if you would like to call it. And then another thing that are in demand right now are planners. It doesn't matter what kind of planner it is. It may be a digital planner or definitely, yeah, it's a digital planner. Maybe a budget planner, a weekly, monthly planner, or planner for vacation business plans. The works, everything related to planners, it's on demand right now. As you can see, there's high volume as well for sellers here and high volume for demands as well. Now, another thing that you might want to take a look at selling are you might want to take a look at this, but sticker designs are also um they're also popular right now. There is a currently growing population of people, audience, and consumers that are interested in selling sticker designs, whether online or like on a booth or something. And definitely, if you're looking for a target audience, Etsy might be the platform for you. And finally, for the last part, you can sell clip arts. So clip arts again, it's similar to like sticker designs, but with clip arts, it's more uh intimate. You can have it in any other way that you'd like. So imagination is practically the limit here with clip arts. And yeah, so those are our top 5 unsaturated products that you can sell on Etsy. Mainly, they require a bit of an artsy touch, a bit of a creative touch. But if you're on that type of niche, then we would suggest taking a look at Etsy. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.